In today's video, I'm testing the built-in AO Parabolic SAR strategy inside the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA, and I'm running it 100 times on USDJPY M30 to see how it actually performs. This is a trend-following strategy that combines momentum and trend confirmation. And I want to see how consistent it can be when applied repeatedly under the same conditions. This strategy uses two main indicators, the Awesome Oscillator and the Parabolic ESR. The Awesome Oscillator, also known as AO, measures market momentum by comparing short-term and long-term market forces. And it fluctuates above and below a zero line. When it crosses above zero, it signals that bullish momentum may be building. And when it crosses below zero, it suggests bearish momentum is increasing. The Parabolic SAR, on the other hand, plots dots either above or below price to indicate the current trend direction. When the dots are below price, it suggests an uptrend, and when the dots are above price, it suggests a downtrend. Now, here's how this strategy works in simple terms. A buy signal is generated when the Awesome Oscillator crosses above the zero line from below, meaning momentum just shifted bullish, and at the same time the Parabolic SAR dots are positioned below the current price, confirming that the trend is pointing upward. A sell signal is generated when the Awesome Oscillator crosses below the zero line from above, showing fresh bearish momentum, and the Parabolic SAR dots are above the current price, confirming downward trend direction. If neither of these conditions line up, then there is simply no signal, which helps filter out weak or sideways market setups. What makes this strategy interesting on USDJPY M30 is that this pair often shows clean intraday trends, and the 30-minute time frame gives a solid balance between noise and structure. The combination of momentum shift from AO and trend confirmation from Parabolic SAR helps avoid random entries and instead focuses on continuation moves in trending conditions. Now let's talk about risk management, because this is where the Trading Management Solutions EA really shines. The stop loss is not just a random fixed pip value. Instead, it is dynamic and adapts to current market conditions. It can use key support and resistance zones or an ATR multiplier to determine where the stop should go. That means the stop is placed based on actual market structure and volatility, rather than an arbitrary 20 or 30 pip distance. This is far superior to manual pip-based stop-loss calculations because it reduces the chances of getting stopped out by normal market noise and places the stop in a more strategic location. The take profit is also dynamic when using the ATR multiplier. ATR, or average true range, measures current market volatility, so when volatility expands, the profit target adjusts accordingly. And when volatility contracts, the target becomes more conservative. This ensures that profit targets are aligned with recent price action instead of being unrealistically large or too small. For traders who prefer more predictability, the EA also allows take profit to be set using a specific risk-to-reward ratio or fixed manual points. The key advantage of the ATR-based approach is that it adapts to real market conditions, which improves the likelihood of reaching realistic, risk-adjusted targets. Another major benefit is that the Trading Management Solutions EA can automatically trade this strategy as soon as a valid buy or sell signal is generated. It can also send trading signal alerts instantly, so you don't have to sit in front of the charts all day. You can let it scan, detect, and execute based on the exact rules we just discussed. On top of that, it includes built-in trade management tools like trailing stop, break-even, and partial close to help protect profits and reduce risk over time. So in this test, I'm running this AO Parabolic SAR strategy 100 times on USDJPY M30 to evaluate consistency, win rate, and overall performance using the EA's automated execution and dynamic risk management. Make sure you continue watching until the end of this video to see the final results of the backtest and how this strategy actually performed after 100 trades. And if you want to try it yourself, visit TakePropips.com to get access to a free demo version of the Trading Management Solutions EA. and see how this strategy works on your own charts.